Welcome friends to our next part of the tutorial. Hope you would have gone through our last tutorial. In this part of the tutorial, we would be basically talking about the left shift bitwise operator and the right shift bitwise operator. So let us first talk about the left shift bitwise operator. So what basically the shift left bitwise operator does is that it shifts the bits to the left side. If we consider the example you can see on the screen, we have written that there is an integer x whose value is 7 and its value is also written in the binary number. In the second line it is given that x equals to x left shift 1. So what basically it is going to do is that it is going to shift the bit to the left side by one place. As you can see, it has been shifted. So the final value of x is 14. Now on the third line you can see that x is left shifted to 3 places. That you can see it has been highlighted on the screen, and now the value of x is 112. On the fourth line you can see that the value of x had been left shifted to 2 places. You can see the shifting on the screen, and also there is a loss of bit, that is you can see one had been lost. So the final value of x is 192. Here we all can observe a pattern. The actual value 7 is multiplied by 2 when it is left shifted to one place. Now when the value x is left shifted to 3 places in the third line, the value 14 has been multiplied by 8. From here we can conclude that with each of the shift, the value of x is multiplied by 2. That is, if shift 1 then multiplied by 2. But in the fourth line the trend is not followed because there is a loss of bit that in the form of 1. So the multiply by 2 would not work. Now let us talk about the right shift bitwise operator. What basically does this right shift does is that it shifts the bits to the right side in binary up to the given place. Like if we consider an example again, in which the value of x had been given as 192 and its value is also given in binary. In the second step, when we right shift the value of x to one place, the bits are shifted to one places, as you can see on the screen. So the final value is 96. In the third step, again the value of x had been right shifted to two places. As you can see, two places had been shifted and the final value of x is 24. While in the fourth step it had been right shifted to three places. As you can see, now the final value of x is 3. With each right shift the actual value is divided by 2, it was multiplied by 2 in the left shift. Similarly, the value is divided by 2 by each right shift. So if you liked our video, just hit on thumbs up, subscribe and do share our videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.